Mom, I feel very hot tonight. Let me check your head, Lily. Your head feels very warm. Try to stay calm, Lily.
I am scared, Mom. I am scared, Mom.
What is wrong, Amy?
Lily still feels very hot. Her fever feels high. We should go to the hospital.
Absolutely, Doctor. Whatever it takes for Lily. I'm here with you, Lily.
Will it hurt, Dad?
No, it will be okay. Yes, stay close to us.
Yes, stay close to us. It is very late at night. We are almost at the hospital.
My daughter has a high fever.
It is very quiet.
Mom, I feel dizzy.
Hold my hand, Lily. Hold my hand, Lily.
Hello, Lily. I will check you. She needs medicine now. She needs medicine now. This will help your fever.
Drink slowly, please. You did very well.
You did very well. Her fever should go down soon. You are very brave.
Now, try to sleep now, Lily. Her breathing feels calmer. Her head feels less hot.
That is a good sign. Is Lily sleeping now?
Yes, she is resting. Her fever is going down.
That is good news.
My head hurts less. I feel better now. Together now.
Oh, wow.
You scared me last night.
I am sorry. Ani Pepan, bajur besau demian.
Hi, Germaner. I am glad you're here.
She can go home now. That is great news.
I want my bed.
Mommy, one.
Hold on, Lily. You need a lot of rest.
She is sleeping deeply now.
That helps her heal.
She looks peaceful.
This night was very long. Yes, but we are safe now.
Your fever is almost gone.
That feels nice. Huh? She looks much better now.